Welcome to Southern Title. We look forward to working with you on your upcoming real estate transaction. It is our mission to provide you the ultimate closing experience every time you buy, sell, or refinance real estate. And we aim to simplify the process so you have peace of mind long after closing. Preparing a home for sale can be a challenging time. The emotions, the packing, the moving. Southern Title is here to make the paperwork part go smoothly. We serve as a neutral third party that is here to securely assist in the transfer of ownership from you to the buyer, according to the terms of the sales contract. Once we receive the bilaterally signed contract, Southern Title will ask you to complete an escrow agreement if we are holding a buyer's deposit. This provides direction on what we should do with the earnest money deposit in case the contract cancels. We'll also ask you to sign a disclosure, allowing us to email you and to communicate and share information necessary to facilitate the closing with your realtor or other related parties. Federal law requires us to get your permission to share information with other parties necessary to the transfer of real property. One of our associates will contact you to find out specifics about any current loans you might have on the property, whether you have a first or second mortgage, and contact information so we can gather the amounts to pay off those loans. If you have a line of credit, it's a good idea to stop using it so we can get an accurate payoff well in advance of closing. We'll also need your social security number, information on any homeowners associations or any special taxing districts. If you hold title in a trust, you will need a bank account established in the name of the trust in order to receive the proceeds. And if the property is your homestead and you are married, both spouses will need to sign the deed at closing. A few days after we receive the contract, you'll get a package from Southern Title that will include a letter introducing your closing team, information about what types of identification we can accept, a booklet outlining the process, and your title commitment. Please review all documents carefully and call us with questions or any changes. On closing day, you will sign a closing statement which will list your costs as stipulated in the sales contract. When all the documents are signed and the buyer's lender has approved the funding documents, we will provide you proceeds in the form of a check or a wire transfer. After closing, we'll record the deed and mortgage, provide you with this booklet containing copies of the documents you signed, and say cheers! In a month or so, you should receive a satisfaction of mortgage statement from your lender. If there were any overages in your account, you may receive an additional check for that amount as well. Please retain all the documents you signed at closing. You may need them at tax time. And if at any time you have questions, please feel free to contact your closing officer for assistance. Thank you for choosing Southern Title, and please check out our website for our convenient locations in Central and North Florida and on both Florida coasts. We appreciate the opportunity to work with you and look forward to providing the ultimate closing experience every time.